It's time for Orchard Skills. When it comes to our personal security, we've all grown a bit accustomed to keeping things on the lowdown. For example, we cover the keypad on an ATM when entering our PIN, and we shred our sensitive documents rather than throwing them straight into the trash. We do this not because any single piece of information is going to bring us undue, but rather we try not to broadcast anything which may be used to take advantage of us. That PIN could be used with a card to withdraw cash if someone gets their hands on it or has a skimming device, and that bank statement you threw in the trash could be used by someone as leverage, and so it is with response headers. Those little tidbits of information your web application is letting loose into the wild that you probably haven't even given a second thought. On the surface, this is innocuous data of no use to anyone, but dig a little deeper and suddenly it becomes quite useful to the evildoers. Today on Orchard Skills, we'll be looking at how to eliminate tracking on HTTP response headers. Please stay tuned with us and we'll get started. Welcome back. So why is eliminating tracking in HTTP response headers important? Let me give you an example. You're cruising along with your website in its default configuration as far as headers are concerned, which means that a heap of information about the site you are being sent in each response. Server Kestrel, X-powered by Orchard Core. But hang on. This is actually a lot of information to know about a site, particularly when it's all implicitly communicated. Continuing our hypothetical example, one day a researcher pops up at a security conference and shows how a new zero-day attack can be used to exploit Kestrel. What's more, the vulnerability is specifically with Kestrel and only when it's running Orchard Core. Sounds too hypothetical? Still not convinced? Take a look at the Internet Engineering Task Force, also known as the IETF, has to say in RFC 2068. Revealing the specific software version of the server may allow the server machine to become more vulnerable to attacks against software that is known to contain security holes. Server implementers are encouraged to make this field a configurable option. Now, am I saying that Kestrel or Orchard Core has security issues? The answer is no. Microsoft and Orchard Core do their best to mitigate security issues. They take security very seriously. In fact, I've decided to keep this server, Kestrel, and X-powered by Orchard Core HTTP headers in order to support Orchard Core. Orchard Core uses this information responsibly in order to tell if a site utilizes their software. I still need to be diligent when security issues are discovered on the platform. I also see the need. If someone is concerned about HTTP response headers, they have the option to disable them. Both Kestrel and Orchard Core support options disabling the server and X-powered by headers. On that note, let's show you how to disable them. Launch your favorite web browser and head over to github.com/orchardskills/orchardskills.orchardcore.materialDesignTheme. And let's go ahead and clone the repository. Click on the green code button and select Open with GitHub Desktop. Go ahead and open GitHub Desktop. Let's go ahead and clone the repository. Okay, great. Let's go ahead and launch Visual Studio and open the Orchard Skills Orchard Core Material Design Theme application. Okay, in the web application project, which is orchardskills.orchardcore.orchardcms, click on the program.cs file. Go ahead and add .use Kestrel c.add server header equals false. And then let's head on over to startup.cs, and we want to add app.use powered by Orchard Core. Okay, let's go ahead and save everything. Go up here and hit the green triangle to run the application. Let's go ahead and select the material design theme, enter our credentials, click on the Finish Startup button. Okay, now let's go into our developer tools and select our network, and let's go ahead and refresh. And let's click on response, and now you notice here that the response headers there is no server or no Orchard core. So that's pretty easy. So to recap, we cloned the Orchard core material design theme, made 2 changes, and ran the application, and then went into developer tools and looked at our response headers. Now, if you missed or didn't understand something, that's okay. There's a detailed blog post that describes all the steps. There is also a GitHub repository with the complete source code. All this information is in the video description. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up icon. Also, please subscribe and click on the bell icon to get a notification when I release the next video. Thank you for watching.